स्टॉपिंग लाइन आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह से एक तालमेल लगा के बैठे हुए हैं। मोहसिन कोशिश कर रहे हैं उन्हें रोकने की, लेकिन
बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है। इसी वजह से बैक पेडलिंग जो ये करते हैं वो बहुत ही चौकन्ने थे, जानते थे कि कहीं ना कहीं से फेक मिलेगा। बहुत ही बढ़िया।
पाला का लाइन किस तरफ था और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया निक्कू उनका। अगली रेड के लिए चिश्ती को रोकने का प्रयास, लेकिन कोई मौका। Vicky Ganor. Vicky is of course his kabaddi name and Ganor is his village. इससे अच्छा आइडिया भी मिल जाता है, अंदाजा भी मिल जाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी तरह उन्हें पकड़ के रखा है जानी सनाडिया यानी मोहम्मद रमजान ने। और ये पॉइंट
and Mohammad Ramzan, the star stopper for this Lahore Lions, knows exactly और छापा जैसी
Arena in Birmingham is well, I suppose quite reasonably populated with some kabaddi fans this Saturday evening. Daljit Singh, oh, he's been stopped by Babar. Babar once again pulling his weight. He started the game.
था ये। I think बाबर की अगर बात करें तो उन्होंने सोचा ये चींटी की तरह मसल दूंगा मैं, इतने छोटे से हैं दलजीत, और वही किया। देखिए किस तरीके
बड़ा नहीं होता इस गेम में, और ये हमने पहले भी देखा है। तीसरे क्वार्टर में हैं हम LG Arena बर्मिंघम में, and why am I not surprised, Arjun?
Because it's nothing new, Divine. It's the same thing, same story.
Now you can expect a little bit of physicality with Jani Sanyada as he's called. Oh, there was an attempt at a slap, but in any case, it's an easy point, and look at that.
Yeah. There's no holds barred battle going on there. But
they haven't missed out on too many, and they in fact had the best conversion percentage after the first round of games. Nearly 90% raids were converted, and it must be similar today.
Aggression there again from Robbo. He's given it all. He's tried to go for the leg there. He's not been able to get it, and then he tries to get his balance. But you know what? Still good. Point in his finger.
Uncharitable to some of the other legends, am I not?
Possibly, yeah. I think they've got a long way to go, yeah, before they get to that status. But certainly at the moment they're shining. Oh, look at that backlip. Look at that. Amazing. And again, oh, he's brought him over the line.
Center line, but look at this for athleticism, look at this for commitment, and look at this for presence of mind also, I suppose, from Bura. Or Daljit on this occasion.